Morning, dear students of St. Andrew's School. I hope you are staying at home and staying safe. I'm Gaurav Singh, your science teacher. Today we will study science. So let us begin. Today we will study chapter 2. Name of this chapter is Animals and Plants. Plants and animals have all the common features of living things, they but they differ in many ways. Movement: the roots of plant are fixed to the ground. Other parts of plants show movement, but plants cannot leave their place on their own. Animals can freely move from one place to another. They fly, swim, run, walk, or crawl. They move in search of food, water, and shelter. Food: animals cannot make their own food. Animals like cows and buffaloes eat grass, elephants eat sugarcane, and so on. Animals like lions, tigers, and cats eat other animals. Animals do not make their food. However, green plants make their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Only non-green plants like molds and mushrooms get their food from dead and rotting matter. Now we move on next page. Sense organs. Animals have sense organs like skin, tongue, nose, eyes, and ears. These organs help them to find their food and protect from enemies. Plants do not have such sense organs. Some plants like touch me not have a sense of touch only. Plants feel what they cannot show their feelings. Animals can show their feelings of joy, anger, sorrow, excitement, and pain. Breathing: animals like horses, tigers, and whales breathe through their lungs. Fishes have gills which help them to breathe in water. Insects like cockroach, flies, and butterflies have air holes on their bodies which help them to breathe. Plants breathe through the tiny pores on their leaves called stomata. Reproduction: green plants produce young plants from seeds, buds, stem, root, or leaves. Non-green plants reproduce through spores. Some animals lay eggs and their young ones are hatched from them. Some other animals produce baby animals and look after them. The human animal man are also animals. They have all the features of animals. They move from place to place. They eat ready-made food, plants or other animals. All the five senses are fully developed in man. They feel and react according to their environment. They breathe through lungs. Human beings give birth to young ones. They look after their babies for a long time. our one big family, though animals and plants are different from each other, what they each depend on each other to live. Animals and plants share this wonderful world with us. If there are just enough plant eating animals, and just enough flesh eating animals in the world, there is a balance in nature. When there are too few animals of a kind like the tiger, this balance gets disturbed. Now we move on next page. When we cut down too many trees without planting new ones, once again this balance gets disturbed. So we should protect animals like the tiger. We should also grow more trees. Plants and animals depend on each other. Read this chapter in homework and complete your work in science. I am giving you in group. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.